Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't been uploading much. It's hard to upload. But today I have, drumroll please, 800 Robux. Boom! There you go guys, you can see it right there. 825. And can you guess what we will buy today? Can you? Yup, that's right. Wait, you haven't even said anything. Oh, dun dun. Flash. Oh. Why the pet potion? Oh, yeah. So, guys, here we are. We're gonna make Storm feel welcome. The Griffin is coming home. Anyway, guys, if you wanna trade, I have 5 ultra rares. Yeah, if you want to trade, please trade me, because I have too many. I have 1 flamingo, which is my mom. I have 2 pandas, 2 thingies, 2 of them, 2, what are they called? 2 Shiba Inus, Pinky, a neon cat, and a neon dog. Alright fam, let's go get this Griffin. I'm scared. I'm gonna go on my skateboard or car. Again, car. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, crap, I can't even drive. Yeah, but, guys, I wish I had one of those cars, but, meh, I have my Griffin that I can ride! Yay! But then I'll be put with the robots. Wait, or should I buy a horse? JK, guys! Holy shit, my car. Ah! Alright, sorry for no intro today, or uploading much. Boy, get out my phones. Come on! I hate this. Like, I'm using. Boy! Get out! My way! I wanna see what people do. ABC for work with, I think people are gonna flip out. So who the hell wants a rider population? Here we are, guys. Oh shit. Which the fuck? Nah. Shit, woman. Nah. I don't even know where you get the scooters. Guys, if you have a dragon and adopt me, please walk for a dragon. I'll give you my griffin. Horse or dragon? Right, I'll buy the horse next time. I'm not. Shit. If I buy it, How much Robux will I have left? 225. Nah. Please be 150. Shit. Yes, it is. It is, guys. I can do it. Right, guys. Let's get the griffin. We're getting the fucking griffin. Bit of a... I got a legendary! Bing bing! Oh, guys! Yes! Oh, oh. What the heck? Bitch, fight yourself. Yes! Bitch! I got a griffin. We have to name it. We have to name it, fam. Griffin. To storm. Yes, baby. Yes. Did it. ABC for Griffin. Ride a pet potion. Ride a pet potion. Hi. A fucking dragon. ABC. No! Which will you trade? Excuse me! Yes. What the fuck? Nope. Sorry. Okay, Lima. What the fuck are you gonna give me? I mean, I have a rider pet potion already. Oh, great. Please. Shit. Whatever, I don't need a fucking dragon. I have a dog. I have neon dog. See guys, I'm getting rich. No! I have neon dog. Storm. What you want? A dragon. A dragon. Dragon. Bitch ass. Stop! Oh my god, people. If you guys have a dragon, I'll give you Storm and a Rider Pet Potion. Then I would have had wasted all my Robux, but who gives a shit? Who gives a fucking shit? I mean, I already wanted a dragon, but I have a fucking griffin. A fucking griffin. But who said I don't care? Fucking bitch, stop. Oh, stop. No! Back off, people. No, Storm, no! Come back. Oh shit. I'm lost. He's tired and he needs a shower. But, I'm looking for this fucking dragon. Hi, y'all. You have a dragon? Hi, y'all. You have a dragon? Where the fuck are they going? Hi, y'all. You have a dragon? For Griffin? For Griffin? Bitch? Bitches? For Griffin? What the fuck is going on? What you want for all the time? Griffin! backing out. I'm keeping this, but I want to see what people give. Who wants to ride a pet potion? Fuck, she has a unicorn that you can ride, but I don't give a shit. Fucking up. Please! Griffin for it. Guys, you're gonna fucking hate me. Griffin for it. A griffin, a griffin, griffin. I'm rider pet potion. I'm rider pet potion. I'm rider pet potion for it. Pitch. You don't have to buy it. If you don't fucking give me it, I'm gonna fucking kill you. I know. Bitches. But you better say ABC. Lemma! Give me it! Gimme! Please, Lemma. Yes or no? Shit, it's full grown. Better fucking give me this dragon. Shit. Rake, full grown, legendary can ride for fucking stone. Legendary. Shit. Shit, she won't do it. Nobody wants to ride a big pet. Fuck no. Cannon stroller, bitch. I'll give you a dog stroller. Better. Please. Please. Wow, guys. Ass bitch. But guys, shout out to all these people. I have a neon dog. No, keep it, bitch. You better keep it. No, keep it. Okay, 3, 2, 1. The magic happens now. The magic happens now. Bitch! Get out the fucking frame! Bitch, get out the fucking frame. What, dragon? You haven't got it. You would have gave me it the first time anyway. You haven't got it. What the fuck, bitch? Give Lena. I'll give you my dragon, okay? Lena. I don't know what the fuck Lena is. You won't give it first time, so no guys, too late. Unless you give it now. Where is he? What the fuck? My griffin was stolen, baby. Come back. Come on, fam. You better not eat it. You first. No. No. I did it. No. Give me a no scammer. Yes, my dream pet. Yes, my dream pet. Yes, guys, see this. I can ride my fucking bitch. No. No, I'm not trading. No, I'm not trading. Fucking stop. Buy it yourself, idiots. Noob. You noob. I have neon pets. What the fuck? Now I'm being tracked down. Well guys, that's all for it today. See you later.